Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite features on the Galaxy Note 9, and it is a feature you can get on some older versions now, and that is how to make a 4K video your lock screen. Now, this is an awesome feature and it always stands out. People always ask me, what is this? How did I get it? And where can I get it? And today I'm going to show you how to create your own. So this is a feature that's now on the S9 as well as the Note 8 with software updates, so feel free to try to do this. Basically, you record a 4K video. How do you record a 4K video? Well, on the S9 or on the Note 9, you just go into settings right here, do a video, and shoot 4K at 60 FPS. This makes it look lifelike and amazing video quality, better than any other smartphone currently right now that I've seen. Now, it doesn't have stabilization, so be careful of that. You want to stand as still as possible, and as you can see in my video, I am still moving, so just know that. So once you find the video you want, you record it. 15 seconds is as long as it can go, so I actually recorded a 15-second video for that reason. And then you just go on the video on gallery. It shows you the preview, and then right here you're going to hit these little three dots at the top and then set as wallpaper. So once you tap that, you have the ability to then set as wallpaper. Now, if the clip is longer than 15 seconds, you can actually edit it and crop it to where you want it to actually be in that video. But as long as you have it, then there you go. You set as wallpaper, and now you have it. So you have this beautiful looking wallpaper every time you open up your smartphone or enter in your PIN or whatever. It does go away fairly quickly, so if I don't hold on to it, it will go away fairly quickly, so just so you know that. However, the really nice part about it is that, it's just on your lock screen, so it's not gonna really drain your battery that much because it's just on the lock screen. But it's a really cool feature, and again, it just stands out from pretty much every other smartphone to have this kind of quality as your lock screen. So simple and so easy, but yet it's just such a nice feature. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like having this kind of lock screen? And please share with me your new lock screens after doing this on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you as always, guys, for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.